Hey everyone, Eric, YesWeRentHouses.com, back with another property, 3 bedroom, 2 full bath at 1839 East 29th Street. Still being renovated, but I had to show you this right away. It won't last long, as you can see, exposed brick as you walk in. Hardwood floors, got your dishwasher, microwave, stove, refrigerator. Take a look outside. You have your fenced-in backyard. All right, let's go take a look in the basement. All right, downstairs is partially finished. Storage right there, central heating and cooling. Have a finished basement part right here. Also has washer and dryer. Then right off of here, you have a full bathroom with a stand-up shower. Again, this is a 3 bedroom, 2 full bath townhome. So we take a look upstairs. Your second full bathroom. All right, and then your 3 bedrooms with hardwood floors. So give us a call today. To schedule a showing. This home is also for voucher tenants. Numbers 443-380-0075. Yes, we rent houses.com.